Hello Shabab. Today we learn the question 6, sheet number 4. It says draw plan. So this one here is the plan and elevation and side view of the following. And here the new thing is for you is the scale of 1 to 5. Okay, and it says all dimensions are in millimeters. Okay Ashabab. So we have to create plan, elevation and side view, and the all dimension in the millimeters. So here is the dimension. For example, L is here, you can see the 500, A is 300, B and same thing is a T. So when it says the plan, when we talk about the plan, what it means, plan means if you look from the top, you are looking from this direction, this is your plan. And when it asks about the elevation, elevation means front view, means you are looking from this side over here, this is your elevation, you are looking this side. And when we talk about the side view, means you are looking from this direction is a side view, this is your side view. Okay, so we want to create the look from here, look from here and look from here. Okay, so I created a 3D view for you to easily understand. So this is the drawing basically. Here you can see, and in this drawing, this is I make the 3D. So see, this is how we look. So when we talk about the plan, it means we are looking from here. So if I click the top view over here, so means what you see is so basically in the top view what you see only this rectangle of how much. Basically you see this rectangle of A means 300 by 500. So simply we create in our drawing. First of all we go to the units, and in the units we select decimal, precision maybe 0, and here we can say millimeters. We click OK, and here we can create a rectangle of A is 300 by 500. So simply we can create a rectangle. This is rectangle, and starting point you can say 0, wow 0, and 300 by 500, 300, wow 500, enter. It's a very big, so just click. So if it looks big, what you can do, simply click this one, it will fit on the screen, everything will fit the screen. So this is the plan of what you are making for the drawing of this one. This is the plan. Then you want to make the elevation. What you see in the elevation, you will see simply a T in the elevation. Okay, a T in the elevation. So once we create the plan, we simply write down here plan. This is a text. So click here, and here we type PLAN, plan, and click outside. It's there but very small. Okay, see, this is very small. So double click and select this one, and here we can change the size. Okay, so here we can maybe say 100. Okay, click outside, looks little bit bigger. Again double click, select, and we can say maybe 50. So this looks fine, and move in the middle. So this is how we can say the plan, and you can give the dimensions. So dimension here, from here to here. Again, dimension is very small, so go to the annotation, dimension, and go to the modify. In the modify, we can say this is 0, this one is, we can say maybe 100, and the text again we can say maybe 100. Click OK, click OK. It looks very big, so make it maybe 50. Again, go back, modify, and in this one we can say 50, and then text also we can say the 50. Okay, okay, it's look okay, or we can still make small, still make small. So make modify, maybe 20, 30, and arrows maybe also 30. Click OK. Close. Yeah, it looks better. Okay, and then you can make another home dimension over here to here, 300. Okay, now we want to create the elevation. In the elevation, you will see like a T, one on the top, one on the bottom. So you can make the two rectangles easily. One rectangle of 13 thickness plus 125. So I can make another rectangle here. Okay, so 13 in the x-axis, and how much in the y-axis? Y-axis is 125. So 13, 125. Okay, this is the one. And another rectangle is off on the top. A is 300 and B is, sorry, T is 13. So 300, I create another one. This is 300 and 13. Okay, so I can simply move this one on top of this one. Click the move command. This is a move. Select this one from the middle point, and we put on the middle point over here. Okay, and then this one I can trim. So just trim, enter, no need, no need. So this is how we can create the, this is called, so you can copy this one, copy plan from here to here, and this is called elevation. Just double click and type elevation. Click outside and move a little bit. So this is the elevation. Now the last one is the side view. Okay, so from the side view, what you can see one rectangle, this one, and one rectangle down. If you see in the 3D, okay, so this is the plan, and if I change this one from the side view, so what you can see from the side view, okay, basically you see one rectangle and other rectangle. Okay, so this is what you can see from the side, one rectangle this one, one rectangle this one, and size of the top rectangle is, thickness is 13 by 300, so 13 by 500, and the second one is 125 by 300. So when you come into AutoCAD, okay, so now the side view is again rectangle. So this is the down one. The down one is what you see, 500 and 125. So 500, wow, 125, and then other rectangle we can see 13 by 500. So another rectangle from here, 500, wow, 13. So this is called, again copy this one. Here is double click, this is side view. And make it a little bit bigger. So this is how we create the plan, elevation and side view. And just give the dimensions. So from here to here 300, again from here to here 500, and you can put it from here to here.
Hello.
And okay, then we put the dimension on the side. This is the dimension on the side of this one and this one, and also we put the dimension from here to here, which is 13. And then this is how we can create. Don't forget to save. Click the save and give the good name. For example, this is a plan, elevation, side view. So we click here, sheet, for example, sheet 4, question 6, plan, elevation and side. Okay, we click save. So this is the how we do the plan, elevation and side. Now we want to print it out. Okay, so for the printing, the scale is, as you see, the scale is 1:5. Okay, so normally what we can do for the printing, we can settle down this one and we can put in line together. Okay, so we can move this one a little bit top, and then we can move this one over here, that it looks nice. Okay, now we can do the printing. Okay, so we click the file. Here you can click the file, and then we can click the print and click the continue. Okay, here we can select the DWG to PDF. Okay, and here the paper size, normally we do the printing on the A3 size. This is the A3 size. Okay, and then here we make the window. Okay, and in the window we can select from here to here. Okay, and then here we can see the preview. It's very big. Okay, this one we center of the plot, and here this is the scale. Customize, we can say 1:5. This is the scale. Again preview, continue. Yeah, it looks good. The scale is 1:5. Okay, so here is the PDF, and we can click the OK, continue, and here we give the good name. For example, this is the sheet 4, question 6, and then you can say the plan, elevation and scale is 1:5, and we can click the save, and it will make the drawing for us. Okay, plan, elevation, side view, and this is on the scale of the 1:5. Okay, this is how we can finish this one. Okay, thank you. Okay dear, I forget to tell you one thing. When we create the plan, inside here we also see the broken lines of this one, because when you look from the top you also see this one down but the hidden lines. So what we can do, we can create a line from middle to middle, and this is we can offset 13, so half here and half here, so offset 6.5 this way and 6.5 this way, and we can delete the middle one. So this is total is 13, and these two lines we convert into the broken line. Here we can go others, load, and we can take the dashed line, this one, okay, click OK. So select this one, change this one into the dashed lines, okay. So this one looks like this one. It means there is something behind, there is something behind which you can see over here in the elevation, okay. So this is the broken line we create, okay Ashraf.